is Bunkerville Dam, January 23rd, my sweet wife's birthday. This is in front of the dam. You can see the river has turned and come right into the head of the ditch. So this is the soil cement, and I'm standing down the end of it. The river's ate away the road that goes up along the way to Scenic. And another big piece of the dam broke off on the Mesquite side. I'm climbing up the hill here so you can kind of see that. So I'm going to zoom you a little bit. So this is, you can see just about 120 feet of the original dam is left on the Bunkerville side. And then there's a big section gone. And over here on the far side there's also a little piece left. Zoom back out. Okay, the river's then cutting over, hitting towards Mesquite and S&M back. I'll show you, I don't know how well you can see, but the river is making a big S-curve. It's hitting into the hill over here, right into the head mouth of the Bunkerville ditch. Then it comes from way over on the east side, and it's S-ing and hitting in over there. So it could eat its way through this big sandbar in front of us, and then it'll be shooting straight out. We'll see what happens. I'll walk you right over here and show you what's going on. So this that I'm walking on is a big soil cement that was put in as part of the dam. The water goes into the ditch right in that pile of brush. And this is what the river's done overnight. So normally the river would have been coming right down through the center of where I have the camera pointed. Happened about 3 o'clock on December 22nd. And the river's still flowing pretty dang good.